Okay, so this morning I'm in Lincoln. I've got a lift out here from a good mate of mine that works here, and I'm setting myself a challenge today for a 100 miles ride. I did 100 miles last week on the e-bike, and today I'm on the Brompton. So it's a beautiful morning, the beautiful city of Lincoln, and just setting off now. So obviously we'll do some updates along the journey. So as you can see, I'm literally just over 2 miles outside of Lincoln, and I'm now on the water railway path. So called because it follows the river, which is there. Fortunately you can't see it from here, but it is there. From here all the way to Boston, it's about 33 miles. So this is the first section obviously that I'm covering. I'm literally 2 miles out of Lincoln, very easy from the centre, and you're on your way. The tower in the distance there is Boston Boston Stump, which is the tower, the church tower, famous Boston Stump in Boston. So as you can see at this point in time, not that far out of Boston. Just on 31.6 miles. Don't know how much this is picking it up, but the wind has got up quite considerably from this morning, and some points quite exposed. So I've had some quite heavy headwinds, so wasn't expecting that. But yeah, Boston's in sight, 31 miles. We're stopping at Boston for a bit of lunch. So we are lunch stop in Boston. If you're planning on doing the water railway, the trip from Lincoln to Boston, just short of 35 mile to the centre. Very nice run too. This is an interesting feature on the water railway. It's a viewing platform. Actually overlooks the river there and the fens beyond. There's your view. What I call big sky, flat as a pancake. It's on days like today that this is worth its weight in gold. It's my water to go water bottle. It's basically a water bottle with a built-in water filter. I'm fast running out of water. I'm on the way back to Lincoln now, but about 20 miles still back to there. And there's the lovely river, and there's the water bottle. That's the filter. So I'm going to just pop that on the bike. I can't sort of film this and make my way down there, it's a bit tricky. But yeah, I'm going to top this up now, and that'll get me enough water, certainly, to get me back to Lincoln. Well, as you can see there, 53 miles. I am on my way back to Lincoln. I've not given up on the idea of the 100 miles as yet, but it is pretty windy, and that's obviously slowed me down, and also obviously takes a little bit more out of the legs. So I'm going to get to Lincoln and then see what time it is and make a decision from there as to what I think I can do. And this apparently is where the grass snakes are. There's a few clues from the artwork there to the shape of the footpath here, I think. Haven't seen any. Seen plenty of other wildlife, but no grass snakes. There's the Lincoln Cathedral in the distance. See that from a long way off, judging by the about 70 miles when I get to Lincoln, so it's about another 7 miles away. I've got to say this path is lovely, regardless of whether I'll do the 100 miles. I really enjoy doing this path. So currently on 75 miles, as you can see, I'm following Route 64 on the National Cycle Network now, out the other side of Lincoln. I'm running out of time. I need to be back in Lincoln for 7 o'clock, and it is currently 5 past. So I'll see how far I get and how many I can do. Right, well, that's it, end of the journey. Unfortunately, I haven't made 100 miles. If you can see that, 92.87. Basically been beat by the clock. I got dropped off this morning by a friend on his way to work, and he's kindly picking me up again within the next 5 minutes or so. So beaten by the clock, and the wind today, I think with a fairer wind, might have made it, but yeah, 92.87. Been a brilliant day nonetheless. 2 good cycle routes. Love that part of cycle route 1, the river, is it the railway path? River railway path. Beautiful path. I'm now in a small village called Winford, and there's me lift.